To enable or disable Quick Share on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we can open Settings. Over here in Settings, you can proceed to More Connectivity Options, and then in here, if you scroll down, you can find the Quick Share app or Quick Share option. In order to enable Quick Share, you want to go to Who Can Share With You, and you want to make sure that visibility is enabled. And also you might want to switch the visibility in here. So if your phone cannot be found by a nearby device, and then you want to probably switch to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes, just to make sure that your phone can be actually visible. And if you want to turn off visibility or actually turn off a Quick Share, then you want to disable visibility over here. Now, to make sure that you are actually visible, I can also recommend you using the Receive option in the main menu of Quick Share over here. Once you go to this menu here, then you are temporarily visible to everyone. Leave a like and subscribe.